A fun project I do right before we pull out the Arduino and the RGB light is I just get out a phone and a microscope and show the kids the kind of broader application of RGB technology. And just we study, when I do this unit, we just study light and how to manipulate light and LED lights and RGB lights and so just how do you manipulate all that through the Arduino platform and the C++ programming that they have. But it's kind of a good way to show them that here's what the end product is. I mean, this is what your phones are doing all the time, because a lot of kids didn't know this. So it's worth getting that microscope out and having them look at it. And so here it is. I'll just let this play just for a second. And as you can see, this is just a regular microscope. I borrowed it from the science lab. You can see my wife's red lipstick and her white teeth is what we're focused on there. This is just a regular Galaxy phone. And then I go ahead and take another phone and take a picture of what you'd see through the eyelet. And you can see on the left here, the red is really bright. Well, so the red lipstick shows up. You still see some color, and you can see it kind of fading. There's a little more green and blue here, a little less green and blue here. So this is a lot more red. And then as it transitions, it kind of transitions to even the red starts to fade out because we must have a little black line here. And even here, a little bit more black at this point. And then you look at the white and everything's lit up. And so if you look at one of these RGB pixels, you can see, red, green, and blue are all about the same brightness. And it's just cool. You can see that it is producing white light because it's mixing all three of those colors. So just a fun little project. I like to do this with the kids, and it just opens up a fun unit where we use Arduinos to control just regular LED lights, and then we transition to RGB lights, and it makes the whole experience just kind of come together. So I hope you use this with your students. Best of luck. See you next time.